What's up, my good friend? All right, today in this video, we're going to be talking about why it's so important to build a personalized experience around your products to actually have over 6% conversion rate on a monthly basis. The review I'm going to be doing for this specific store, we use the same exact strategies for a lot of technical stores we work with. This is going to be an educational video for you that how and why standing out in the marketplace can help you convert like crazy, and it will also help you with the increase of conversion rate and also average order value. So if you're running ads on Facebook, TikTok, you've been running traffic on your website, you're stuck between 1 or 2% conversion rate, you need to watch this full video. Let me share my screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I'm going to be reviewing a store called Selena Signs. Now, if I go onto the homepage itself, these guys sell custom-made signs. Now, I want to give you an exercise. I want you to go in and search for custom signs on Google, and you will find thousands and thousands of websites offering the same exact product. Custom home signs, custom neon signs, all that. But what makes this actually store stand out is the customizations and the user experience that these guys offers in order to stand them out way better than anybody else in the marketplace. That's what your goal should be. When it comes to you going into the marketplace, regardless of the competition, if you have the best looking store and the best looking user experience, you're gonna stand out way farther than anybody else in the marketplace. Now let me click on signage, and as you can see right here, they're selling these signs. If I click on address signs, you can see all these signs that these guys are selling. Now let me click on any of these signs, right? This is the example of the product that these guys are selling. Now in the buy box area, you can see it says 16 inches, 20 inches, 24 inches. No rocket science, right? Let me select one option right here. And the next option is they're asking me to pick a finish. I can either select the silver plate or I can select the black plate. Now you can see the backlight color or the backlit color, whatever you want to call it. If you want to do gold, you can do gold color. If you want to do white, you can do white color. Now the option switches based on the information I'm putting in here. Now it's asking me to enter my address. Now let me actually put like a random address right here, 3475. And let's say if the street has some sort of like number, let's say just like this is the address, and I can put the street name. So I can say Gulch Drive. Okay, I can left and right align these texts as well if I want to. I can change the name and the text font name within the product page itself. Okay, you can see different signs have different type of vibe, and then I can add like a solar panel and a transformer that basically helps recharge the light and basically build. I don't have to worry about like putting electricity for this sign. I can just literally put this anywhere I want to. Now, if you compare this product page to any other product page or any other competitor, most competitors doesn't even come closer to what these guys do. Now, this is a different sign, and if you see right here, this is a totally different buy box. So if I put in 194648, and let's say I want to do a 10 inch and I want to do like a different font, let's say I want to do a Lada, and I can put, let's say, gold or maybe white color, or I can do like a mix of gradient for the gold, or I can do like a gray color. And you can see it's also giving me the option to select a solar panel, or I can get over the transformer. I'm not going to get into like too much technical stuff, but you can see right here. And then these guys are offering backboard. That do you need a backboard or you want it without backboard? And then I can select the color of the backboard as well. Now I can select the vertical, horizontal. If I want to do any order notes, I can put it in here. But if you see like product by product, it's totally different user experience. And I can turn on the light and turn off the light and see how the sign looks like in both specific scenarios. Now if I click on neon signs, I can click on the neon sign, and of course it's showing me a totally different user experience. And as I type through it, now if I put my name, you can see right here, I can select the font, I can make a center line, I can put the size of the product, I can select multiple customizations right here. I can also select the background colors where the base is gonna set up, mounting options, dimmers for remote control access, and I can get it for outdoor use where it becomes basically waterproof. Now, these are the level of details that we do for our e-commerce stores. And if you're stuck between like 1 or 2% conversion rate, you want to take your store to the next level, you want to actually build a real brand in this Q4 season. And even if you're running ads, if you have a lot of traffic, you have good business, you want to scale it to the next level, you can contact me. Personalized experience make a big difference between what your store can do and what your store offers compared to anybody else in the marketplace. If you want to stand out, you need to actually go a little bit different and do a little bit more around the customization side of things. So contact me. My calendar link is right below this video, and I'm happy to help you. And as always, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.